guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to show you how to add coupons and promo codes to your WooCommerce store. First, log into your WordPress dashboard. Then in the sidebar, click on the WooCommerce and settings. When you scroll down the General tab, you can find Enable the use of coupon codes checkbox. Keep it as checked. The next checkbox is Calculate coupon discount sequentially. When a customer enters multiple coupons at the checkout, it will show a discount from the total after entering the first one, and the following coupon amount will be reduced from that discounted total. You can check it as you prefer and save the changes that you have made. In the sidebar, when you click on the Marketing tab, you can see another tab named Coupons, where we customize all of our coupons. Click on Add Coupons, where we can create a new coupon. You can add a name for your coupon or generate a name automatically. You can see the General tab where we can add the discount type as percentage discount, which means the discount will be rewarded as a discount from the total. And the following fixed cart discount means after buying the products, the customer gets the fixed amount of discount from the cart's total. Next, fixed product discount, where the customer received a fixed discount from the product. After selecting the type that you need, you can insert the coupon amount in the following field. Then if you tick the box name Allow free shipping, the customer gets the free shipping when he enters the coupon code. But to enable this, a free shipping method must be enabled in your shipping zones. We will put the link to that tutorial down in the description below. In the last field, you can add a coupon expiry date where after the date, the coupon will not be valid. In the following tab, Usage Restrictions, you can customize your coupon much more. You can add the minimum spend where the customer will only have the discount if he only buys more than this amount. The maximum spend is valid mostly for the percentages where will be maximum amount of discounts that the customer will get. When you check the box name Individual Use Only, the customer will not be able to use this coupon in combination with other coupons. In the product field, you can add your store's product where this coupon will be applicable. In the same way, you can exclude the product where this coupon is not valid. If you add product categories, all the products under that category will have this coupon. In the Usage Limit tab, you can edit the usage limit per coupon, which means how many times this coupon can be used on this website. If you set into 100, only 100 customers can use this coupon. If not, it's set to unlimited by default. In the usage limit per user, you can set how many times that one customer can use this coupon on this website. It also set unlimited by default if you are not setting a limit. Then you can publish the coupon after doing all the changes. Then the coupon is enabled and you can add this coupon and try it in the checkout when you buy a product. Now we have successfully added a coupon to WooCommerce.